Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for April 24th, 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First off, we will take a look at what transpired for Nifty. Nifty opened flat today with a slight positive bias before correcting sharply and heading lower and closing with a loss of 1.14%. The index fell by 275.10 points to extend its losing streak for the third straight session to close at 23,897.95. Elevated crude oil price, persistent FII selling and mixed to negative global cues were the major reasons for losses seen today. Broad-based selling was seen across all sectors, with the IT sector taking the biggest hit as it cratered by over 5% today. Volatility saw another spike, thereby dimming prospects for a near-term recovery. Nifty broke down below both supports mentioned in today's pre-market report, and new supports may be readjusted downwards to 23,820, followed by 23,555, while resistances will be at 24,020, followed by 24,260. For Monday, the selling pressure may continue, especially if crude prices remain elevated, with the index becoming even more bearish as subsequent support levels are broken. Breaking below the 24,000 mark is a net negative in the current scenario. Nifty will regain bullish momentum only if 24,660 breached on the upside, while a break below 23,555 will lead to further corrections. Now, let us check out the levels for Sensex. The BSE index fell by 1,000 points today to close lower by 1.29% to end the day at 76,664. In line with today's correction, levels need to be readjusted once again, with new supports at 76,465, followed by 75,870, while resistances will be at 77,225, followed by 77,665. Sensex will witness bullishness if it recovers above 79,360, while bearish sentiment can be expected to intensify if 75,870 is broken on the downside. Next, let us check what has been happening and what to expect from crude oil. Crude oil seems to have sustained its bullish momentum as it headed higher today, since the Strait of Hormuz continues to be blockaded with no positive progress in the West Asia conflict. Volatility still seems elevated at the energy counter. After the recent gains, supports will now be at 9,030, followed by 8,880, while resistances will be at 9,340, followed by 9,535. Bullish momentum seen at the counter can be expected to continue till it finds a level where it can stabilize. Updates from the US-Iran conflict will remain key to trading the commodity. Crude oil prices are bullish for now, and a correction below 8,880 may break the momentum, while a price breakdown to 8,440 may bring the bears back into play. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Hindustan Zinc reported a strong Q4 performance, with net profit surging nearly 68% year-on-year to 5,033 crore rupees, while revenue grew 43.8% to 12,692 crore rupees. The company also announced an interim dividend of 11 rupees per share for FY27, boosting investor sentiment. Adani Green Energy posted a solid Q4, with net profit rising 34% YOY to 514 crore rupees, supported by steady income growth. On a sequential basis, profit saw a sharp jump, reflecting strong operational performance. Gujarat Themis Biosyn shares surged around 14% after the company signed an agreement with Sanofi to acquire a portfolio of 13 branded generic anti-TB drugs. The acquisition is expected to strengthen its presence in the anti-infective segment and drive future growth. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.